So for this parfait, here are the ingredients that I'll be using: Greek yogurt, coconut flakes, granola, apple. I'm using the 2 colors of apple. Bananas. I'm a huge fan of bananas, so I'm gonna have a lot of banana in my parfait, and my grapefruit. So without wasting much time, I'm just gonna chop them. I'll be doing 2. Alright, so let's jump right into the making. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the yogurt. I just love to set them, arrange it to look very attractive. Some of these going with some flakes, a little mango, going to add some more. You see that? Oh my god. And I'm just gonna put some more bananas. Alright, so this is my recipe for my fruit parfait. As you can see, it looks so colorful, and trust me, it is yummy as well. So you can try it and tell me what you think about it. Trust me, this is really yummy, and I can't wait to have it taste. Trust me guys, this is something you really want to try. Alright, so this is the vanilla yogurt. I love vanilla a lot, so I'm gonna try this out. As you can see, the color is different. So I'm gonna go in with bananas. Okay, and then some apple, some red apples, and grapes, and some green apples, and after that some granola, and of course bananas again. I can never get tired of banana. I don't know about you, but I can never get tired. And of course apple. Some more. You see that? Oh my god. So I'm just gonna sprinkle some coconut flakes, and of course some granola, and I'm just gonna beautify the top with all this. And legendary banana again. And this is mango, just a taste of mango. This is how it looks. Alright, let me just show you. You see that? With every scoop, you get the taste of all the fruits that it's actually made of. Alright, so this one is the normal white Greek yogurt. Alright, this is how beautiful it looks. It tastes as good. And then this is the vanilla yogurt. You can see it's kind of yellowish. Alright, so look how beautiful it is. I hope you enjoyed this though and you learned one or two. If you try this, let me know what you think and how it tastes. Alright, so let me go quickly enjoy this one. Okay there, so let me just have a taste. I just can't wait for this, okay? Alright, let me not show my bad character, alright? So I'll see you guys in my next video. This is really nice. You should try it. Trust me. You should try it and tell me what you think about it. But for now, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.